Everyone's arguing about what causes autism, but what if autism is what caused us to evolve into the humans we are today? That's exactly what this new study is suggesting. Researchers analyzed gene expression in different areas of the brain in humans, chimps, and macaques, a type of monkey, and they discovered something wild: that the more common a type of neuron or brain cell is in the brain, the slower it evolves. But in humans, there was one specific type of excitatory neuron that broke these rules. It evolved faster than any other neuron in the brain, especially in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for complex thought, language, and social awareness. But here's where autism comes into play. Those same neurons that changed the fastest in human brains over time also down-regulated specific genes linked to autism. Now, this doesn't mean that these neurons turned off the genes so it turned off autism. It means those genes, which are involved with brain cell communication, synaptic formation, and neurodevelopmental patterning, were tuned differently during human evolution. In other words, these same molecular pathways that allowed us to evolve and form this higher level complex thinking may be the same molecular pathways that lead to autism when they're pushed too far. Now, I'm not saying this is a single cause of autism, but rather a trade-off embedded in our human evolution. This is suggesting that our cognitive leap as a species came with a cost, that with increased complexity or increased connectivity also came with an increased risk of imbalance. So while the medical community classifies it as autism spectrum disorder, that disorder may actually be what enabled us to evolve into the species we are today.